and stop transcription. Okay, I'm here and let's get started. And hello everyone. Today is week 7, so it's time to discuss what you should do during this week. First of all, you should learn new information, perhaps new information for you about JS. This time it will be basic operators, mass operators, comparison, condition, uh, logical operation, loops, and so on. It's, I guess, kind of the basic thing that you should know. And without this knowledge, you can't write any beautiful code. You may write code, and this code might be do what you want, but currently we're talking about the beautiful, readable, logical code. So I guess you can find the time to learn this information. In case you would like to watch some videos about JS, I add it as an optional. So if you would like, you may watch the videos, or perhaps you have your own favorite bloggers, technical IT bloggers, and you would like the video from this channel. So pay attention, is just optional in case you would like to watch, but you shouldn't spend a lot of time if you would like to, if you prefer to read articles or read some documentation. Please feel free to choose the most applicable format of getting knowledge for you. The next module for this week is JS also. But during this module, you will learn what is numbers, strings, the basic, you will get basic understanding about function expression, arrow function, and so on. It's also the fundamental things of JS. So I hope you will learn it. In case of any question, feel free to write in the Discord, and I hope that our students or mentors or coordinators will help you to collect all knowledge in one place. Related to week assignment, this week you proceed working on the coffee house part 2. Last time we discussed this task, so I guess we shouldn't spend time on it right now, but pay attention. This week you will find new assignments. It's called JS numbers and strings. Let's see what it is. It's a bunch of tasks related, for instance, for numbers. It's a small task that you will implement. For instance, you should find the area of rectangle by width and height. So you should remove this part of code, uncomment parameters, and write your solution. By running the test, you will know whether you resolve this task or not. There are a lot of tasks, I guess much more than a lot of, but I believe this task will help you to apply knowledge that you will get within the JS Basic Part 3. And some of this task is really important due to it's a good place to apply some tricky method of numbers, or the same task you will get related to strings. One moment. And you will read a lot of information related to methods about numbers and strings, and you may forget some of them, but within implementing this task, you will apply this knowledge, and I hope that you will remember it much longer than after just reading information. But interesting thing that the duration of this task is almost 1 month. So it means that you will have 2 tasks at the same time. It means that you will work on UI task implementing Coffee House Part 2. The next week you will start working on a Coffee House Part 3, but when the making layout became unknown for you, please switch on a task related to numbers and string. When it's not became not interesting for current moment for you, you may switch on to layout. And also pay attention, starting from December 25 till January 8, you will have kind of holidays week. You will have a sign, yep, but the duration of this assign, all these assigns will be till January 8. So please find time to have a happy Merry Christmas or Happy New Year. Find time to rest, but also please find time to learn. I hope this knowledge will help you the next year. And I guess it's worth to apply this knowledge to these tasks. And that's all from my side. Perhaps you have a question, please feel free to ask. Where is my chat? Here is my chat. Guys, you may unmute or just text in the message, up to you. Sergey, please feel free.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm just joining in. I just missed your representation of the future week. Yeah, am I right? Yes, just one.
Yeah, it's week that started today and
Uh-huh.
proceed till the next Monday, Tuesday.
Okay. Oh, all right. So that's fine. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. And basically, I have one short question, just really short. It's about Coffee House Week 2. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, let
Um,
me open it. Okay, I'm here to listen.
yeah, I'll just, I've been helping different guys in the chat in our channel, yeah, this one, so figuring out how it's working. And there was one interesting question, and it's kind of tricky, that on the mobile device, and tablet device, I mean design. So when we're gonna make it, when we're gonna build it, I noticed that in Figma we have, let's take a look at the menu button here, menu button in the Figma prototype. Yeah. So the menu button yeah, on the tablet design and mobile design, there is a cup. Yeah, there is a cup. While on the desktop it's missing. Yeah, so we see desktop and enjoy. So this is a block enjoy. And there is a menu button in enjoy block.
Mm-hmm.
And like no coffee cup, yeah. But if you take a look at the same button on tablet and mobile design, we can see this one. So it's there.
What?
Yeah, take a look. Enjoy block. Yeah, can you see enjoy block and the button menu? Yeah, so yeah,
Enjoy button menu.
Yeah.
Perhaps you mean this one?
No, I mean on the main one. Yeah, so not
Okay, enjoy block. It is this one, correct?
Upper. Could you please scroll?
Upper, you mean this one?
Okay, one more up.
Ah,
Yeah,
it's a header. Understand? Enjoy. We
it's
have a cup.
yeah, and we have a
This one?
cup. Yeah, this one. And
Okay, one moment, please. I open the first week and here prototype. And we can see this cup of coffee by hovering this button, and here
it looks like
have,
it looks like it's a default state. It looks like
yep,
I don't know. Uh,
yep.
and there was a question from the guy who asked me, should we implement it or not by default? Yeah, this one. And I just answered, okay, so if it's like on your prototype in Figma, please do this, okay? But there was another opinion from another, okay, so activist. She said, it's up to you. So, okay, so like because on the desktop it's only on hover, so it's not necessary. And she said it's not critical. Yeah, you see?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So, so this is not critical if I will not implement this cup, or it's critical. So, what do you think? Just would like to know your
You
opinion.
know, it's not an issue.
Okay, thank you.
And it's a decision of designer to
Uh-huh.
add this cup of coffee. So there is no real hover effect when this cup of coffee is appearing for tablet and
Mhm.
for mobile. In real life, in a project life, you will familiar with such decisions due to some devices. Some user will use devices with a touch effect. It
Mhm.
might be mobile or tablet, and you may not create a beautiful hover effect for touch device.
Mhm.
That's why for tablet and mobile, the cup of coffee is present by default.
Mhm. That's what I think. So, thank you so much. You just clarifying everything for me. Okay, so just one. No more questions. Okay. Can I just untouch my hand somehow? Okay. Yeah, it works. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for your question. And guys, probably someone else want to ask? One, two, three.
Yeah,
Seems no.
I think no more questions for
Uh,
now. Yeah, thank
yeah,
you.
guys, I wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year, and see you next year on the
Likewise.
next session.
Likewise.
Thank you.
But
Have good holidays too.
thank you. But if you would like to share your amazing New Year and Merry Christmas pictures, I would like to see it. Please do not hesitate. You might spam us. with the beautiful pictures. Have a rest and please find the time to learn it as well. Thank you and have a nice day or evening. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.